Hi viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today we are in Tirupur in Tamil Nadu and we are visiting Fortune Park Hotel, one of the hotels managed by IDC Group. The hotel is located on Avinashi Tirupur Road and is one of the biggest branded hotels inside Tirupur city. Coming to the hotel lobby, the staff were very friendly and welcoming. This is our deluxe room. The room had a 40-inch TV and the bed was very comfortable. Everything was neat and well maintained. The color scheme and layout followed the standard Fortune Park design and it looked quite good. Apart from that, the hotel provided 4 complimentary water bottles and even refilled them for free when we requested additional bottles through the front desk. You can also find a tea kettle along with tea and coffee sachets. The room also has a mini refrigerator where you can store and cool your items. Inside the wardrobe, you will find a locker for valuables along with hangers for your clothes. This is the restroom. It was modern, clean and average in size. It included all the basic amenities. Items such as toothbrushes, shaving kits and other essentials were neatly packed and provided. Overall, I found the room quite impressive. Coming to the price, this room costs around 5,500 rupees per night. However, I used my ITC points for this particular stay. On the second floor, there is a gymnasium and a spa. The gym was excellent with modern equipment that was well maintained and fully functional. On the rooftop, there is a swimming pool. The pool has a dedicated lifeguard on duty from 10 am to 7 pm and the pool is accessible only during these hours. From the pool area, you can enjoy a good view of Tirupur city. Apart from the restaurant, the hotel also has a bar and lounge on the first floor called Neptune Bar Lounge. Now coming to the breakfast spread was quite good. There was a nice mix of South Indian dishes including puri, chapati, dosa, pongal, vada and other items. There was also a good collection of continental options such as salads, fresh juices, cereals, nuts and other breakfast items. Overall, I would say the food selection was quite good. The whole stay was very enjoyable and if you are planning to visit Tirupur, this is definitely a good hotel to consider. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.